I'm Mark Sudon with GSG. We're here today at the GPX Expo in Irving, Texas, and I'm with Liz Beavers, our in-house embroidery expert. Liz, there is some amazing stuff in the booth. What do you have? What's going on here?
Oh man, absolutely. We've got some great things here at GPX. The first thing I want to tell you guys about is the ZSK Classic Single Head. We have come out with this one. It's a great machine to get started with. It's 12 needles, dynamic embroidery, and we're showing it here at the show so that you can come in, take a look at it, get firsthand experience. Combined with that is the Coloreel. Coloreel only has one cone of white thread, and with that white thread, it goes through and it dyes it to any CYMK, Pantone, you name the shade, you name the color, it is actually going to hit that for you. The other thing that's dynamic about the Coloreel is we haven't seen anything new in the industry for years. And now the Coloreel has come on. This is so exciting for us. No inventory, no waiting for threads, hit your perfect colors, and the bleeds are unbelievable. And no trimming in between the bleeds like we would have to do with traditional digitizing. So that's going to speed up your production. It is actually going to bring you more profit, and you're going to be able to get those jobs out on time and not have to wait for thread. So the Coloreel, beautifully dynamic. I'm going to show you a few designs here with Coloreel. As you can see here, the bleeds, the shading, unbelievable. No trims. It did it all in one stitching. Here's some butterflies. Traditionally with embroidery, a lot of trimming and a lot of time in the digitizing to get it to hit these bleeds and shades. But with the Coloreel, not a problem. So I can tell you right now here at this show, this has been the biggest thing happening. It is the biggest technology here in the industry. So come on out and see us, booth 301. Come see the Coloreel. Come see the ZSK Classic. We also have the Sprint 8 here for you to see as well. Come on out, we'd love to have you. And if you can't make it, not a problem. Contact us after the show and we'll be happy to go through anything that you need, answer any questions, and you still have show specials coming your way. Thank you.